the future of MSP has to keep consumption and environment and in focus rather than only production systems and livelihood systems.
We need a system where farmers get decent prices, due prices for their produce.
MSP itself is just a linchpin, but the problems really go beyond it, and hence the solutions also need to go beyond it.
You know, I was looking forward to it because I saw that the list of participants was a mix of people who have served in the government, people who are activists. There were, I think, 5 academicians. So then there were 4 farmers. Then there are 3 people from the marketing world. So I thought it's a very good mix. It represents most of the stakeholders in the world of food and agriculture.
For me, to come here and to hear to or listen to different viewpoints, try and understand their perspective, at least try and see where I or my opinions figure in the whole spectrum of views that are available here.
With a very keen sense of learning a lot many things which I may not have known in my operational or functional responsibility. So I thought it an opportunity to know, interact and again share my experiences which I had at NAFED regarding this subject of MSP for the future.
This is a very, very unique and different format where you engage, where you collaborate to find a solution to a complex problem.
The whole idea of not jumping to the solutions from day one, which we all usually tend to have a temptation of because we all believe that we know it all. I think it's very important, and it's a good realization that, okay, start with really creating a common ground around the problem and then think about what could be the possible solutions as we go along. So that whole deliberative process where you not just start from your viewpoint, but actually understand everyone's viewpoint before jumping to the solution.
What is unique about the Wicked Sprint really is that Socrates manages to, in a very short time, get people to open up and speak freely without fear or favor and present their perspective in an atmosphere that is very collaborative, non-intimidating, supportive, where there is no right or wrong, where no view dominates.
यह एक ऐसा आयोजन है जिसमें आप बेहद सहज सरल तरीके से आप अपनी बात कहते हैं। दूसरी बात कि इसमें कोई पाबंदी नहीं है। आप किसी चीज़ से अगर आप सहमत हैं या असहमत हैं, मतभेद होने के बाद भी आपको पूरी बात कहने का एक मंच मिलता है। आप अगर किसी चीज़ से इत्तेफाक नहीं रखते हैं तो भी आप अपनी बात कह सकते हैं।
सुधार लाने का यही एक अच्छा तरीका है कि कुछ भी चेंज आने से पहले आप सभी अलग अलग स्टेक होल्डर्स को साथ में बिठाओ और लंबे समय के लिए बिठाओ और उनको खुला टाइम दो आपस में बात करने का।
The commitment of the team and the commitment of various groups, the way they are working towards a possible solution is just great to see.
Having this opportunity for some data support was very useful.
It allowed me to share my views without the necessity to defend them.
Especially the drawings that has come out. I think that's brilliant. Somebody has to think of it.
I see members changing their views. On the first day, they had a certain mindset, but now they are changing. That's a very good sign.
On the issue, I have learnt a lot. So while one has always been talking about working with the food systems approach, now I've learnt a lot of details of what that really means in terms of operationalizing it.
The flow of these workshops where people come in with a particular thought that they've held strongly for a long time usually, and then they come and go back, if not with a changed mindset, with a nuanced understanding of the same problem.
I have generally been very impressed with the quality of interaction and the attitudes shown by the participants. They have been very open with their opinions, and a lot of new angles have emerged in the discussion which were not documented or known before.
My expectations and my objectives have been fully met, my expectations have been fully realized, because I've learned so much in these last 3-4 days, made so many friends, unlearned quite a few things that I had in mind. So that was my key takeaway from this Wicked Sprint.